Thanks for tuning into Mystery Curtain, where every gadget has a story waiting to be told. Join me as we explore the latest innovation, test its limits, and decide if we're diving deep into a comparison that's got a lot of people talking: the iPhone 17 Pro versus the iPhone 16 Pro Max. It's a tough call, folks. These are both absolute powerhouses. But which one comes out on top? Let's break it down. First impressions? Well, the iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to have some design tweaks, maybe a slightly different camera bump or even a sleeker overall look. We'll have to wait and see. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, on the other hand, sticks with the familiar design we know and love, but that doesn't mean it's not stunning. Both phones are expected to feature the latest in display technology, offering vibrant colors and incredible clarity, perfect for watching videos, gaming, or just scrolling through your social feeds. Now, let's talk specs. The iPhone 17 Pro is, of course, expected to boast the next generation A series chip. We're talking blazing fast performance, improved efficiency, and the ability to handle anything you throw at it. The iPhone 16 Pro Max, with its A18 Bionic chip, isn't exactly a slouch either. It's still incredibly powerful, capable of handling demanding tasks with ease. One of the biggest differences will likely be in the camera systems. While both phones will offer top-of-the-line camera technology, the iPhone 17 Pro is rumored to have some groundbreaking new features, possibly including enhanced low-light performance and even better video recording capabilities. The iPhone 16 Pro Max already has an amazing camera, so the 17 Pro has a high bar to leap over. Battery life is always a key consideration. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is known for its excellent battery life, easily lasting a full day, and sometimes even longer, on a single charge. The iPhone 17 Pro will likely aim to improve upon this, potentially offering even greater battery efficiency. Both phones will support fast charging, so you can quickly top up your battery when you need to. So, which phone should you choose? That's the million-dollar question. If you absolutely need the latest and greatest features, the iPhone 17 Pro will be the way to go. It's likely to have cutting-edge technology, a potentially refined design, and the absolute best performance. However, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is still an outstanding phone. It offers incredible power, a fantastic camera, and a beautiful display. If you're looking for a top-tier phone right now and don't necessarily need the newest features, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is a great choice, especially if you can find it at a reduced price. Ultimately, the best phone for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider what features are most important to you, how much you're willing to spend, and how often you upgrade your phone. Both the iPhone 17 Pro and the iPhone 16 Pro Max are exceptional devices, and you really can't go wrong with either one. Let me know in the comments which phone you're leaning towards and why. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.